Okay, this is the original DJI camera. It's 1 hour 40 past sunset, but as we don't have any cloud cover, still a bit of the sky showing through even on the original DJI camera. But just like before, I don't feel like I could go out to the field. I just see blockiness and just sort of the tops of those trees there. And I'm flying this one first. And yeah, there's no way I can get out there, but I just wanted to compare the original DJI camera on my Nazgul HD so that we can then go on to Mipi and Polar. Okay, this is the Mipi camera. Very grainy, but much lighter, of course. The question is, can I get through here? Oh, it's sketchy. I can only really get there. Whoa, that is super sketch. There's the bin, but wow, there's so much noise there. I can't see the ground. Yeah, not on par with the Polar camera. Wouldn't want to do this for very long. It's just noise. I only have the light coming from the houses for me to know that I'm not actually crashed. Even so, why not? Let's do a couple of rolls. Now that's sketchy as anything. I need to try and bring this back if I can. Hopefully if I come in at sort of this angle. Oh, no, I don't like that. See, there's a hill there that I don't want to drop behind. Okay, we're back. Right, so, yeah, not as good as the Polar in the evening for sure. And then, of course, the Polar camera in the same conditions. No worries, mate. It's still getting a little bit sketchy. But I still can't see the ground. I can kind of see that it's there. See, as I turn around and sort of go away from all of the lights, it's grainy, that is for sure. But yeah. The Polar cam wins for sure. It's still pretty scary. now that we're in sort of September, it gets much darker. That is just pitch black down there. Still see the sky though. But yeah, if I had to land in this field, you wouldn't be seeing much, that's for sure. Oh, I need to get a thumbnail. Important. Needs to be straightened, that. That's pretty nice. That's nicer. Yeah, it's proper pitch black here. Can only just barely make out the bottom of that tree. With the Polar camera though, I can make out the bottom of those trees now. It adjusts to the light. so it kind of like lights up. I just think the Mipi camera just got a lot more grain, a lot more noise on it. It's got noise on it in the day, and I think it's too contrasty as well. Looking back at the day footage, too contrasty. But I could actually get a full battery out of this guy if I wanted to. I can sort of see where the ground is, almost. Much better than the Mipi camera. It kind of needs a big torch on the front of it. I have had that idea, don't you worry. I'll be working on something like that. I've actually had my battery out of this one, so I better fly back. Hopefully I'm not going to hit the ground. Just about see the ground, so... Well, there you go. That is my comparison between, well, the original DJI camera, the Runcam Mipi, and also the Polar camera, in the pitch black, pretty much. I'll put links in the video description to everything, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.